Are you taking a video?
No.
Are you?
Baby.
It's so far. We're throwing our sack back and forth.
Word.
Way to do it. Gay men should be good at this.
Oh, I stepped on something sharp.
Wait, does that mean I'm gay?
Yes.
It's okay. Tyler, you're gonna be my gay best friend.
Right.
What buddies?
Really?
Real.
Really?
I swear you're a stock me.
Run inside, just move up quick.
I got a text.
Really?
You just took your sack and ran, man.
Yeah, I know. He isn't gonna be too happy when he doesn't have a sack.
Probably have a daydream.
We need to go get some flop flips. Yo, hands are up here.
Yeah. Not down there.
My hands are down here. Figure I'd just throw that out there.
Oh, sorry.
Quality throws.
It's making noises.
Dash balls now.
He's going boop, boop.
Baby guy on the bike, hiding behind a car.
Really?
For real.
Are you really creeping?
Wait, Don, where'd you go?
I can still open
You are
this
taking a
door.
video. Check one!
I can